and welcome everybody. In this video we will study the new feature built in Panasonic KX-HTS32, which is code block. First we will go to our PBX through Wi-Fi like this. Username is installer and password default 1234, but I have changed the password. Okay, we are now in web maintenance console to program KX-HTS. Why I use this IP address? Looking into network configuration, we will find that this IP address was given by our local switch to the KX-HTS, because we connect between local switch and KX-HTS through the WAN connection of the PBX. So it has been given this IP address. So we are using this IP address to go into web maintenance console. Going to PBX configuration and opening trunk, programming, selecting caller ID, modify and block. We'll find our new feature, which is blocking no caller ID incoming calls. So call will be blocked if it has not no caller ID, or it has no caller ID information. So we select enable to block incoming calls without information or without coming call data. Between brackets we blocking private numbers. This is the first step on the first selection. Second selection, we have system speed dial number 5. Selecting system speed dial. By the way, we have 200 location to store speed dialed number. Also we must state that our PBX or our new model of PBX, Panasonic PBX KX-HTS, is equipped with built-in caller ID for incoming and for internal call also. No need to install any additional cards to have caller ID function. In first location, I will store a name for this number, and first I will put access code for outside line, then followed by the number. Then I will select how the PBX will deal with this number when calling our PBX. I have many selections. Most important one or new one is disconnect, which means that whenever this number is calling our PBX, it will be blocked, it will be disconnected, which is new in this PBX, KX-HTS PBX. CLI destination or calling line identification destination is also an feature equipped with all Panasonic IP-PBX. But disconnecting number is new in KX-HTS. Also I can select any destination for this number. it's not depending on what the IL table or programming for incoming calls distribution, but it will be fixed destination for this number. Also, I can select any message to greet this number whenever he calls our PBX. So, by the way, we can record a message with the appropriate languages for this calling number. Also, I can select to receive calling from this number to an incoming extension group, exactly extension group, or I can select to answer through a conference room. But the most important one, or our aim today, is to clarify this new feature, which is blocking calls or set a blacklist for certain numbers, or blocking numbers with no caller ID tag. That's what we wanted to clarify today. Thank you for listening, and see you again.